I'm Gerlimino Fiescaliba, a student from Eastern Summer State University, currently taking BEST IT, render 500 hours, handling a position HR department. My main responsibilities is handling all things people-related like recruitment sa mga bagong magiging intern at tagasagot ng telephone calls and nag-iingkod sa mga production tally sheets ng mga employee. Ang natutunan ko ay mas nag-enhance pa ang aking communication skills, problem solving, and how to manage time and priorities. Ang pinaka-challenging ay nung time na nakipag-usap ako sa ibang tao like sa recruitment, I'm a little bit pressure para sa mga magiging bagong intern from other school kasi di ako sanay makipag-usap sa iba. Got hands-on experience with recruitment, employee relations, applied classroom theories to real-world scenarios, at mas nag-boost yung confidence ko handling HR tasks and learn to navigate office dynamics. Sobrang hands-on experience. And yes, recommended ang GPMC sa future trainees dahil mababait ang mga employee nila at ang supervisor and they have a great learning environment. Message to GPMC. Thank you for the opportunity. I learned a lot and looking forward to applying my skills. I'm Gerlimino Fiescaliba, HR department from Batch 5.